Getting started. 1. Miss Hua, an English teacher, is helping a group of students in her class to prepare for their presentation. Listen and read.
Now, Group 2, how are your preparations going? Is your topic global warming?
Yes, it is. We've already decided on the main points to talk about and agreed on the presentation outline. Having planned the content, we're now looking for supporting information.
Sounds good.
First, we'll talk about causes such as greenhouse gas emissions from factories and vehicles.
There are also other causes, like the use of chemical fertilizers and deforestation. Global warming is man-made.
Man-made?
That's right. In the past, a lot of industries denied having contributed to global warming. But nowadays, most people admit we are all responsible.
I see. Then we'll focus on the effects of global warming on people's health and life on Earth in general.
Yes, having treated the environment irresponsibly, humans now have to suffer the effects of global warming. Do you agree, Lan?
Yes. Global warming leads to climate change, allowing for some infectious diseases to spread more easily. We should also make it clear how global warming contributes to heat-related illnesses and death.
It also has severe impact on water supplies, threatens food production and upsets ecological balance.
These are all excellent points. Have you come up with any solutions?
Yes, Miss Hua. We'll point out how people can change their daily habits to reduce their carbon footprint.
That's great. Now, go through all your points again and decide who in your group will present each part.
Thanks for your help, Miss Hua.